Hi guys, welcome to Asapu Art. Today we'll be doing bottle art with two techniques. So in the first technique we'll be using the stencil method. So first thing first, we'll cut the stencils in the shape of the leaves. Here you see I am drawing the shape of the leaves on a paper and cutting them out. Now the next step will be to just stick the papers with the help of water on the bottle. After sticking the leaves at random places, we are going to use a sponge to dab the places entirely with the colors. I have used over here blue, dark green, light blue, and I have just entire bottle I have dabbed them completely with the acrylic colors. The next step will be when it dries, I am going to scrape out the leaves out of it so that we have open spaces where the leaves are there. After that, I am using 3D outliner, white color, to make the outline of the leaves so that they look prominent on the bottle. And ta-da! That is ready. The rim part I have added jute thread. Now, the next bottle art is very simple using the dot art. I have used dotting tools over here and white acrylic paints alone. So I've used the designs which are easy and nice, and I've just painted the dots around it on the lower part and the top part. So you can use the designs which you like and use few dotting tools like earbuds, pencils, anything with a broad base and a thin base, a pin, and make your own dotting design. And here also I've used white acrylic paints to just paint it. Here the base color was not required as the bottle was already having a sap green color. After that I've used 3D outliners white color to give additional touches to the bottle. On the top part of the bottle you can see I have added a masking tape so that my line is aligned accordingly. So the masking tape can be removed, but the masking tape was placed so that my lines are straight for the design. And last but not least, you can see on the top part I'll be adding some jute cloth on the top part to give a finished look to the bottle. The jute cloth on the top, that is where I've placed the white masking tape. I'm going to stick it around over there. So here you see the jute cloth attached to the. In the third bottle also, the first technique is used, that is the stencil, but in the stencil part we have painted with the white acrylic colors. We can use cork lights to just insert the light inside, and you can see it's a beautiful decor piece for any occasion.